Okay, I need to check my deck heights with these new base gaskets. These are the 10,000 base gaskets I got from Cometic. Uh, I got it written down, but I think I had like a minus 15,000 deck height. 10 or 15, I can't remember exactly, but I got these base gaskets which were 10,000s. They're stock are 20,000s, these are 10s. So this should put my deck height about zero deck where the piston's even with the cylinder. So let's check it out and see. And we're just going to snug these down, make sure the piston's flat, the cylinder is sitting square on the deck. You don't really need to torque them, we just want them snug really. There we go. That ought to be good enough. I'm going to grab my dial caliper. See if our calculations are correct. How close we are. So right there, I'm sitting at right around 30 thousandths, but that's not at the top. So I'm just going to leave it sitting on here, and spin the motor over a little bit. And that gave us approximately 2 thousandths below the deck. So that's a marked improvement there. Let me make sure my caliper's clean here. My R in fact setting at 0. Okay, I am at 0. So I'm going to bring this back up and check it again. That one actually gave us 0, so let's check it again. Just sit it on there, roll it backwards. And we are exactly at 0 deck, which our calculations are right on. For that front cylinder and piston, we're at 0. Now I'm just going to grab my other cylinder and my other piston and check the back one. I'm going to pull this front one off there after I write it on there, so I don't get them confused. I'm glad that turned out right. I'm just going to write on here front, and a big 0. I'm going to set this gasket down on here. All right, let's stick this one on here and see how we go.